When I prepare this delicious drink, everyone asks me for the recipe. To start our recipe, I will start cutting 2 carrots. They are already peeled. I will cut them into slices. This drink, besides being delicious, has many nutrients and minerals for the body. Now I will put the carrots that we cut inside a blender, then I will add 2 cups of water, and let it beat this mixture for about 1 minute. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Margie Stevenson from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now that you have mixed well, I will pass the carrot juice through a sieve to avoid passing residues of the carrot. We will only use the liquid part. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, healthy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it at your home. The next ingredient we will use for this drink will be 2 bananas. I will remove the peels, and then I will cut into slices. Do it at your house, and then come back here and tell me what you think. I will put the bananas in the blender. I will also add the carrot juice that we had reserved. I will add 2 cups of milk and let it beat very well for a few seconds, until all the ingredients are mixed well. It became one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now I do not stop doing it, because before taking this juice I was feeling very tired, lack of energy, bad mood, but after I took this juice, I felt much better quickly. Bananas and carrots work very well in our body, since they are sources of vitamins and minerals. These fruits and nutrients are essential to feel willing in our daily routine. Done, this is ready. Our recipe is a delight. I'm gonna put on some ice to enjoy this amazing drink. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every day, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. Consuming this juice will help your health a lot. I'm sure if you do it once, you will always want to do it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.